I'm Stefan van Vrachem. I'm Managing Director of Alpha Port FOCA. Alpha Port FOCA is the platform of the private port sector in the Port of Antwerp. We represent some 400 companies here in the port, going from stevedores, shipping agents, forwarding, warehousing companies, and we're in fact the lobby group of the Port of Antwerp. As Port of Antwerp, we're confronted with a lot of challenges on fields like mobility, customs, safety and security. Because we're a fairly conservative sector, I think we need to work together with other communities, hackers, IT developers, solution providers, and this is why we participate in this hackathon, because we believe that innovation, technology, IT development, big data could all help us to meet our challenges and make this port more efficient.